To add Zelle to Wells Fargo, start by opening the Wells Fargo app on your smartphone and signing into your account with the necessary login details. Once logged in, navigate to the home page and select the Pay and Transfer option. From there, tap the Zelle Send Money option, which is identifiable by a purple circle. Next, choose Zelle Preferences from the available options, followed by Manage Payment Profiles. On the subsequent page, you will see the phone number and email address associated with your account. Select the one you wish to link to your account. You will then receive a one-time password via SMS or email, which you should enter and verify by hitting the Verify button. After verification, select the account you want to link to your Zelle and Wells Fargo, and press the Save option to complete the process. By following these steps, you can successfully add Zelle to your Wells Fargo account.